morning, FBA football. You're looking at cooking with Coach Jansen, all right? Trying to figure out, we just got done pushing the car. Try to give you guys some hot tips on how to make a great breakfast. First thing we're gonna do, we gotta get the eggs, the bacon, and the pancakes ready. We got the oven preheated to 400, okay? I know Coach Dearborn's more of a fry pan guy, but so I don't have the smell of bacon going through the rest of the house all day, and I get it even cooked, I'm gonna put the bacon in the oven. All right, players, families out there, what I've done is I've lined the pan with aluminum foil for easy cleanup later on. Just thinking ahead, I'm gonna put a cookie rack, like a sheet rack on here, just so it can drip down, catch all the grease. I get a nice, crisp bacon that way, all right? I'm just gonna space these out. You say, hey, why is this bacon so short? Fireman Body Auto taught me one time to cut the bacon in half when it comes out of the package. Moving on to the pancakes and the eggs. I got the trash here so I can just drop the eggshells right in, okay? We're going with, it looks like Krusty's protein all-purpose baking mix. Okay, goes for a cup of this pancake batter. So again, because it's always, more is always better, all right? And a little bit more equals a little bit more in the gains in the weight room. We're gonna go 1.5 cups, okay? So again, because of time's sake, I'm not interested in, we're just gonna ballpark it right here, okay? And for those of you math people out there, because I went a little bit more on the pancake batter, I'm gonna go just a touch more on the milk, all right? For those of you that heard that beep, 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 that means the oven is ready to go. We're gonna slide this wonderful hog fat in here. Set the timer for 20 minutes, and we're ready. All right, so bacon's in. Now we're on to cracking eggs, okay? Again, you would think for a guy who has 2 eggs every morning, I'd have some fancy like one-hand egg crack technique, but this is what you get out of me, all right? Now I'm also a big milk guy in the eggs. I know somebody out there is saying, hey, water's better. I heard some restaurateur tell me sour cream is what fluffs them. Hey, I go up milk, all right? Now, I'm a big blender here. Here's where I make my living, okay? I'm gonna blend these little easy, okay? You see the pancake batter a little thick for my liking, and again, that was just a guide, so we're gonna dump a little bit extra milk in there, just to loosen it up. Okay, we got it. Looks to be getting ready to flip. So we gotta make sure they're not stuck together here. Got a little ahead of myself with probably getting them a little too close together, all right? There you go. Maybe should have flipped them a little sooner. You guys can learn from me on that one. A little hot tip to help you guys save in cleanup time. I like to get the dishwater going and then get all the, these dishes from the eggs and the pancakes and get that cleaned up while everything's cooking and finishing up. All right, here's the timer, so we'll knock that off. We'll see what we got in the bacon here. Oh, this is gonna be good stuff. There we go, we got our nice crispy bacon done. Stir the eggs a little bit. We're gonna be ready to have ourselves a great breakfast. All right, final product here before we deliver to the customers, or in this case, the family. Some people like peanut butter on their pancakes around here, so we're going to give a little bit of peanut butter. Get a nice and good spread. You always got to know your customers. Then, some people just like syrup. So we got ourselves here some real maple syrup from a tree in Wisconsin. Okay, we'll pour that on there good. Give people some bacon. Some eggs. All right, football family, here's a mistake on this one. So before, when I put the peanut butter on the pancakes, it got sent back. Okay, here I thought I did a good job. I put the peanut butter on the blueberries, which it was supposed to be on the chocolate chips. So again, try to do some stuff right around here. I hope I gave you guys some good hot tips on how to get your breakfast done, how to get it done in an efficient manner. That whole process was about 22 minutes. Hey team, we hope you enjoyed cooking with Coach Jansen. And just try to bring a few laughs to you guys. Try to just reach out to you, see how things are going. Hope we stay in touch and hope your quarantine is going well. Enjoying time with your family. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, like I'm sure you'll find how to buy stuff at Walmart from Coach Mitchell, how to yard work or chop down trees from Coach Brasio, and how to properly show a house virtual style from Coach Dearborn. Those and many more videos will be coming your way. Guys, we'll talk to you soon.